Hello students, with another problem under installment system. Last class I have sent you the problem wherein I have told you to copy it. It is a similar problem, the same problems I am repeating again and again. Um, the interest calculation may be different, but the journal entries and ledger accounts are same. Once you understand if once you know the journal entries, it will be easy for you to prepare the ledger account and to calculate. Okay, so this today I will end with the chapter installment system, and tomorrow I will begin with a new chapter, consignment account. Okay, so go through this problem. Any doubts you can ask, because there is nothing new here. The same what we did for the hire purchase system, the same thing is repeated here. It is same thing is repeated. So the journal entries may be different, but the interest calculation will be same. Okay, so go through it. I'll read the problem first. Canada Transport Company purchased a truck on installment basis on 1/1/2015, paying 1 lakh cash and agreeing to pay 3 further installment of rupees 1 lakh each on 31st December each year. Cash price of the truck was rupees 3,72,500, and the truck company charges interest at 5% per annum. Canada Sports Company writes off depreciation at 10% per annum on installment balance system, diminishing balance systems. Prepare a ledger account in the books of Canada Transport Company. Okay. Now first thing what you have to do is first to calculate the interest. To calculate the interest, you have to check what is the information given. Cash price is given. Yes, cash price is given. It is 3,72,500. What about the installment price? Whether it's given? Yes, it is given. It is 1 lakh each for 3 years. Next, interest rate is given. Yes, all the three information is given. It means we have to go for the first case to calculate the interest. Now how to calculate the interest is, first calculate the total interest. That is 1 lakh into 3 is 3 lakh, because 3 installment they pay. So 1 lakh into 3, 3 lakh, plus 1 lakh is a down payment. So total it is 4 lakh. Okay. Now minus the cash price, which is 3,72,500. So what is remaining is 27,500, which is a total interest. Next is cash price. What is the cash price? 3,72,500 less the down payment. Down payment is 1 lakh. Okay, so what is remaining? 2,72,500. Now what is the interest for the first year? Into 5% you will get 13,625. Now second year interest will be 2,72,500 plus the last year's interest, 13,625 minus the first installment 1 lakh, you will get 1,86,195 into 5%, which is 9,306. This is for the interest for the second year. So first year interest it is 13,625, second year interest it is 9,306. What about the interest for third year? Interest for third year is the total interest minus the interest for first and second. What is the total interest? The total interest is 27,500 minus 13,625 and 9,306. You will get the answer as interest for third year 4,569. This is the interest for the second year. Okay. Interest for the third year. So this is how the interest calculation goes. Once you get the total interest, calculate the interest for first and second year. Third year you will get after deducting the interest for first and second year. Okay. Next is we have to go for the we have to prepare the ledger account. Now in the books of Canada we have to open this truck account, installment seller account, then an interest expense account, then interest account. These accounts we have to open in the books of Canada Transportation Company. So what is the first entry is what is the first entry is on the date of purchase. The entry will be asset account debtor, interest expense account debtor to installment seller account. So by truck account, here we will write cash price, which is to 3,72,500. by interest suspense account, which is a total interest, which is 27,500. Okay, next is down payment made, installment seller account debtor to cash account, which is 1 lakh. Next is interest due entry. Interest due entry, what is the entry? Now first year entry comes next. Interest for the first year. Now interest for the first year, the entry is interest account debtor to interest suspense account. See here, once you get here suspense, now you transfer here 27 by interest account. This is interest for the first year, 13,625. After that, you will pay the installment, which is installment seller account debtor to cash account 1 lakh. Next entry will be depreciation entry. Come here on 31/12/2015 by depreciation account 37,250. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to close the account. Close this account, carry down and brought down. Next, go to the seller account. It is carry down and brought down. Next, suspense accounts, carry down and brought down. Next comes interest charge for the second year, that is interest account debtor to interest suspense account, balance brought down, interest account 9,603.06, balance brought down, and interest charge, what is balance carried down and brought down. Okay, then installment, let's see, installment carried down and brought down. Next, go to the depreciation charge on the remaining balance 3,35,250 into the depreciation which is given in the problem. It is much 10%, so it calculate 10% of 3,35,250. You will get 33,525. Carry down and brought down. Okay. Next, go to the third year. Third year again you have to calculate interest by year brought down by interest for the third year so much. Now your account is closed. Okay, close it. Now come here. Here also two cash account brought down you will be there. Two cash you pay the installment. Again this account will be closed. Go there. Calculate the depreciation on the remaining 3,01,725 into 10%. You will get 30,173. Carry down and brought down. Close the account. You will get 2,71,552. Okay, here also interest account to interest suspense account by profit and loss account, here also, here suspense, here profit. This is just a transfer entry. Okay, so the entries to be remembered is first year 2 entry, then every year 4 entries will repeat, and calculation of interest is important. Once you calculate the interest, open the accounts. Okay, so journal entries I have already given you. Go through the journal entries by hearted, because for the first year there will be 2 entry and every year 4 entries will repeat. Okay, any doubts you can clarify. I will end with the third chapter today, installment system. If you have any doubts you can clarify. Thank you.